I up the above. God bless. Love. I up the above. Peace. Love. Yes. Peace. Respect. Yes. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, be careful enough.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Keem. So right now, guys, we're gonna check out some more Diana Ankudinova. Is she a siren or something like that? Because on my previous videos that I've done, I have never heard something so fantastic. I never heard something so relaxing. Trust me, guys. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Alright, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna react to Rechenka. Let's see if I can pronounce it correctly. Yeah, Rechenka right now. So without further ado, guys, let us jump into the reaction. She never fails. Absolutely not, she never fails. So let's go. Wow. I literally don't know, even up to this moment, can give a brief explanation on her voice. It is so satisfying. I would definitely set her for my alarming tone, because I would feel so alive after waking up in the morning when I heard my alarming tone and she is the first thing that played. I would feel so rejoicing. I would just feel good to have a good day. Wait, this is her voice? I think I never heard this one before. Let's see if this voice can able to withhold something different. Whoa, that walk is sexy. Damn. Damn, girl. You're so nice. Whoa, I'm so rejoicing right now. I'm literally over thrilled right now. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. Even though I don't understand the lyrics of this song, but it's fire. It's absolutely firing. Yes. Good one, Diana. Good one. Good one, girl. I love it. Yes, girl. The mood, guys, the mood. Yeah, yeah. And she's on that one pitch for so long, on one voice pitch. Damn! Oh my, she's so cute. Damn, girl. She's so cute. Like, and her voice is just match her cuteness. Everything for her is just perfect. Perfect too. All the judges right there are stunned. Even me myself is astonished right now by her performance. I mean, like, look at the judge's face. I mean, like, he's shocked. He's shocked. I'm shocked too. Did she just growl? Is it full moon yet? Wow. Wow. Perfect. Wow. Damn, girl. So cute. Wow, I like what I like about this performance, guys. It is just so smooth. It's like it's a twilight zone where the trees are overshadowed by the moon. I mean, like, it's absolutely perfect. The boat that she sits in right now is just on the perfect timing. I gotta say, wow, I'm really thrilled by this. I love the choreography of this video clipping. It's good. I mean, like, it's enjoying. Yeah, I gotta say, I love it. I gotta say, I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about her performance, what you think about my reaction towards it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. It's the boy Keem. Subscribe if you read thus far. And what are you guys? I'm out. Mad move.